Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like and give this video a comment and a thumbs up. Today's video is installing a ring light. My first time installing the ring light. So yeah, y'all. We're just gonna see how this go because I'm not good with this kind of stuff right here. But yeah, we just gonna, try it out. All right, so let's get right into the video. Light from Dollar Tree, y'all. Y'all, $5 for the ring light. I'm telling you, get on it. And I've been needing me a ring light. So we're just gonna see what this baby do. I think it come with a stand too. I think I did this wrong. Hold on, y'all, because I thought I could do this without looking at directions. But okay, screw the half.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love. Choo. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest tonight. I want it, I want it, yeah.
Ooh, I did it, y'all. Now, it's really not that long either, so. But why this part? Well, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I guess it's gonna go like that. Alright, y'all, so this is how it look. I'm still trying to figure out something though. Like, I'm trying to figure out this part, the phone part. I don't know why I feel like it's supposed to go in the middle. But y'all, yeah. That's that. Only thing I'm dealing with is this phone. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thanks for tuning in with me. So yeah, as y'all can see, I put the ring light together. It wasn't that hard, but then again, I still feel like it's something that's missing. But I got the basic of it. Okay, got the basic of it. So yeah, y'all. I got the basic of the ring light. It wasn't hard putting it together, like I said. It's just, it's one little piece that's not sitting right with me. But other than that, I did it, y'all. I really didn't need a big ring light. I just needed something, something small because, I do be vlogging and whatnot. But yeah, y'all, this hair, whoosh, it's cute, but woo, child, I don't like having hair in my face like that. So, but yes, y'all, if y'all like to see more videos like this of me putting stuff together, comment below. Give me a thumbs up so I know if y'all like this video or not. But other than that, yeah, I got my ring light rolling. So now I can use my ring light. But that's the end of my video, y'all. I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for tuning in with me. And make sure you give me a like, comment, and make sure you go subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Alright, so see y'all on the next video. Bye.